Ripple decided to fight against the SEC in a legal battle, unlike several other cases that the SEC has brought against digital asset issuers, which ended in a settlement instead of going to trial, in the sense that these individual crypto firms agreed to the financial regulator's demands and pay penalties or fines to be let go. Thus, it never gets to a stage where it can be scrutinized by a judge or a jury panel, such as what we have now with the ongoing lawsuit. As indicated by CryptoLaw's founder, attorney John Deaton, Ripple's expected court rulings might be revealed before the end of March. So, could this be the highly anticipated end of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit? On the technical, we have the Ripple price surging as investors turn bullish on the potential for the SEC and Ripple lawsuit to end soon. Thanks for watching Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. If you're looking to get involved with some of the most promising stocks in 2022, then you might want to consider looking into the Wasana stock. Founded by a team of seasoned drug developers, psychiatrists, experts in the field of research and development and finance, the Wasana stock is backed by notable investors like the previously undisputed world heavyweight champion Mike Tyson, investment expert Chad Bronstein, who built an empire as a trailblazer in the digital world, George Michael Steinbrenner IV, yes, from the Steinbrenner family, Canadian multi-strategy event-driven hedge fund management firm K2 Principal Fund, an early-stage investment firm focused on startups within the mental health and technology industry, Ambria Capital, the Conscious Fund, Sol Global Investments, and venture capitalist firm JLS Fund. These shareholders collectively own approximately 40 to 45% of the company's shares. Therefore, we can affirm that the management owns about 30% of the shares outstanding, 20% of which is owned by Daniel Carcillo, the CEO and founder of Wasana Health. He has a significant input on the company's business model and day-to-day activities, since he's also a patient and victim of traumatic brain injury, considering his 8 to 9 years in the National Hockey League as a professional player. Wasana Health is currently working on obtaining a NASDAQ listing, and if what is happening with the psychedelics industry today reminding you of what took place in the cannabis market a few years back, then you're definitely on the right track, seeing as the cannabis market went from being a demonized, misunderstood, and entirely illicit market to a huge industry offering tremendous revenue and printing millions for early-stage investors. It's a revolution in the making, a quiet one at first, but it's gaining momentum in North America and worldwide. Little wonder why such billionaires and persons of well-known venture capitalists and cannabis investor Peter Thiel, pioneer of the psychedelic medicine movement Tim Ferriss, celebrity financier with the clout and the capital to get the psychedelics market moving Shark Tank TV star and angel investor Kevin O'Leary, former Canopy Growth CEO Bruce Linton is actively involved with the industry. The psychedelics market is poised to break through in a big way, as the scientific community cannot ignore the research data, and the barriers to decriminalizing are quickly crumbling. But back to the SEC and Ripple. The conversation over when the lawsuit will end has been dawdling for a long time now as the blockchain company takes a chance of missing out on business opportunities. At the same time, the case persists and XRP holders anticipate the relisting of the digital asset. Ripple appears to be expecting the lawsuit to end between August 26th and November 18th. The information was added in a joint stipulation and proposed to change the case schedule of a forthcoming class action parallel to the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. Rumors have also been going around suggesting that the SEC and Ripple have finally ended in settlement. However, although unverified, the talks have raised the curiosity amid onlookers who suggest the parties have reached an agreement. Following that, the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, made some intriguing comments in an interview on Fox Business with Liz Clayman and Charles Gasparino, mostly about where Ripple was at in this case with the SEC, before which he stated in reference to an earlier statement in which Gary Gensler said he expected the commission would lose some cases as it attempted to establish a legal difference between currencies and security tokens. Gensler stated that the quick update is that Monday was the last day of expert testimony, expert depositions, so the case continues to move forward. He continued stating that they're waiting some decisions from the court, sooner rather than later, as it relates to a couple of decisions before the court, but it's moving slowly. Garlinghouse stated that Gary Gensler has continued with the narrative that the crypto is the Wild West. It's not the Wild West. Are there bad actors? Yes, there are bad actors in all parts. Garlinghouse's comments, coupled with Gary Gensler's affirmation that the SEC hopes to lose a few cases, as he stated in an interview with Jon Stewart, could well be deciphered as a hint that this case is about to be closed. However, attorney John Deaton has indicated that Ripple's expected court rulings might be revealed before the end of March. He explained that federal judges submit a list of motions pending for 6 months or longer, twice per year, to Congress. He further stated that the following list is due on March 31st. Therefore, if Judge Torres doesn't rule on the pending motions, she must report those motions for inclusion. Ripple CEO expressed that Ripple was anticipating some decisions from the court. The court is yet to rule on the SEC's upcoming move to strike Ripple's fair notice defense. In addition, Judge Annalisa Torres is yet to rule on individual defendants' applications to discharge the lawsuit. The expected verdict by Magistrate Sarah Nedburn on the SEC's motion for reconsideration, named the largest decision for the lawsuit by John Deaton, is also anticipated by Ripple and the XRP community. The lawyer representing XRP holders spoke concerning this. He also expects Judge Nedburn's rulings on the 63 emails and the Estabrook notes may come down any time now. So, Ripple and the XRP community are all awaiting the next phase of the lawsuit to unravel. Moving on to the technical, it appears to be that hope has been reignited within the XRP camp, as the news concerning the Ripple and SEC lawsuit likely coming to a close in the next few months has incited a positive sentiment among XRP investors. The altcoin price has climbed in response to the bullish narrative, just as investors anticipate a verdict from Judge Sarah Nedburn. XRP buyers are amassing the altcoin, taking coins off exchanges to private wallets. A whale wallet as of late moved $55 million in XRP to an unknown wallet. Even though XRP had a sluggish beginning this month, the coin has since recovered quickly and posted an almost 7% gain in the past week. The SEC Commissioner's statements also powered investors' optimism. A higher volume of XRP has been moving through corridors, which energizes the coin's utility, as well as its widespread adoption. Analysts have assessed the XRP cost pattern and predicted that the potential gain is capped at 80 cents as traders anticipate the SEC versus Ripple settlement. FX Street analysts have noted that Ripple confirmed a bearish Ichimoku breakout on Sunday. In any case, there was no follow-through as volume participation in altcoins across exchanges dipped. Furthermore, according to information from CoinMarketCap, XRP was trading up approximately 4% at 75.3 cents, following the more extensive crypto market rebound. XRP as of now positions the sixth biggest cryptocurrency when you talk about market cap, ahead of Terra's Luna and Cardano's ADA. As of late, Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett revealed that the SEC staff appear to be losing confidence in the agency's capacity to win the case. More so, a source close to the SEC hinted to the Fox journalist that Commissioner Hester Pierce expressed private concerns that the SEC probably won't accomplish the outcome it's aiming at, which could translate into a win for payment giant Ripple. So, regardless of whether it rules in support of crypto is yet to be seen, but the tides indeed appear to be going in Ripple's favor. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. If you have any questions, drop us a comment, and we'll see you next time.